Good morning. COVID-19 pandemic has sparked many questions for alumni relations teams. How can we continue to engage alumni while also offering support? We shift existing engagement opportunities to fit a new format. Welcome all to this virtual alumni meet. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen and distinguished dignitaries. I am Dr. S. Rajeshwari, Faculty of English, Department of Humanities and Sciences. It gives me an immense pleasure to extend you all a very warm greetings to great annual alumni celebrations 2019-20. It's my pleasure and privilege to welcome all to grace this momentous occasion. Creating an engaged, supportive alumni network is crucial to an institution's success. This network allows the institute to benefit from the skills and experience of our graduates by offering their support to the institution and to each other. Alumni are our most loyal supporters and our best ambassadors, offering invaluable wealth of experience and skills across their personal and professional networks. Before we embark any auspicious work, we have the prayer song rendered by our students.
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय कोटिसूर्य समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय कोटिसूर्य समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा वरवीणा मृदुपाणि वनरुहलो चनुराणि सुरुचिरबम्बरवेणि सुरनुतकल्याणि निरुपमशुभगुणलोला निरतजया प्रदशीला वरदा प्रियरङ्गनायकि वाञ्छितफलदायकि सरसीजा सनुजननी जय 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 भवानी
This was a prayer song rendered by our students of the Rhythms group. Now I request Dr. N.V. Ganapathiraju Garu to give an introductory speech of the program. Dr. N.V. Ganapathiraju is working as a professor in the Department of Information Technology. He did his PhD from JNTU-K Kakinada in Computer Science Engineering, MTech from Andhra University in Computer Science and Technology. He is contributing to a major research area in CSE and has more than 40 research publications. Research interests include machine learning, information retrieval, and natural language processing. Over to you, sir. Please address the alumni.
Thank you very much, madam. Good morning to one and all. It gives me an immense pleasure to address you all on this auspicious occasion of GRIT Alumni Meet 1920. It is very important day for all of us as it provides us the opportunity to meet with many of our graduate students after a long time virtually because of this pandemic. It also enables the alumni to notice that changes and developments happened in our college through Instagram, Facebook, and college websites. The renowned alumni of GRIT are now spread across the world, contributing to the society as engineers, teachers, scientists, and entrepreneurs. The alumni is making GRIT proud of its hard work in shaping these talented brains by winning laurels at national and international levels. Our college has good alumni base who are currently working with many reputed companies, and they are the brand ambassadors of our GRIT. The institution is in touch with all the alumni through its alumni association. Every year, institute organizes the alumni meet, consider the feedback of the improvement. More than 820 students got registered for the alumni meet for 2019 and 20. Dear alumni, you are the products of GRIT. You can visit your campus at any time and be in touch with your respective departments and staff. And with your help, your juniors to get bright future like you. As a associate dean alumni affairs, I appeal that come and join together for the benefit of our institution and for the benefit of our juniors. We know that it takes a lot to take some time out of your busy schedule and come over. But I believe that the experience of this alumni meet allows us to take memorable experiences with you. Lastly, I would like to personally thank our management of GRIT for supporting this event.
Thank you, sir, for sharing your valuable experience. Now, I request Sri M.G. Shekaram, CEO of GRES, to address the alumni.
Good morning to
M.G. Shekaram, the Chief.
I think, madam, introduction I'll do myself.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
We'll save some time actually.
Yes.
Okay, yeah. Very good morning to all the alumni of GRIT. My name is M.G. Shekaram. I have joined recently, when I say recently, about a year and a half back, as the CEO of GRES. I am basically from the civil services. So after retirement, I've just joined here. Yeah, to start with, I really wish that all of you are staying healthy and fit during this Corona pandemic time. It was a tough time for all of us to go through. Then, ideally, this alumni meet should have been in the college. We all should have met here. That would have been a better occasion to talk to you, to interact with you, and then to share our concerns together, actually. But anyway, because of the pandemic, we have to meet online, actually. Doesn't matter, still, we'll be able to communicate whatever is to be communicated. You see, I have a small request to make, of course, to all the alumni. Ideally, if you all can contribute some finances to our college, that will be great, actually, because as all of you know that we are a self-financing institution, and our fee is determined by the government, not by us. So we function under tremendous financial constraints. So in this situation, even a small contribution from the alumni will be of immense help for all of us. It'll be a great kind of a gesture on your part to your alma mater. But what I would like to say is that your contribution can come not necessarily in the form of finance or money, actually. It can come in the form of sparing of your time and sparing of your energy and effort and knowledge and experience. All of you must have gained immense practical knowledge when you're working outside in the companies or in your own businesses. You must be working. So you all must have gained a lot of practical insights into how the system functions, how the society outside functions, how is the business environment, and things like that. So with this vast knowledge and experience, you can share some part of it by spending a little bit of time and energy for the college actually. I'll just list out briefly how you can really contribute in other than financial terms actually. The first one, which I would like to request all of you is kindly make it convenient to visit the college once in a while. So our alumni department section will get in touch with you. And then if you can come and interact with the students here in the form of a brief talk or a presentation or just interaction, question and answers, that will be a great way of motivating all the youngsters. As I told you, you will have really seen the outside world. You'll be able to bring in that practical perspective to the engineering education actually. And I'm very sure that with your success stories or with your the trials and tribulations, what you have gone through as entrepreneurs, as industrialists, as employees outside, these stories will be of great motivational value to our students. So kindly spare your time a little bit. If you are, we are having a common platform, I suppose. Kindly interact with the platform, and if you can tell your interest anytime, I'll be most happy to what do you call, associate with you in that interaction with students. Actually, that will be a great way of contributing to the college. The next method or manner in which you can contribute to the college is that if you can really get some good internships to our students, that will be great. Because you see, we just want our students to gain a what you call a practical orientation or practical insights into how things work outside the college. So that is possible only when we send our students on internships. So if you can really help some of our students by recommending for internships in your company, or if you're running your own business, if you can take some interns there, that will be a great way of contributing to the students actually and to the college. The other way is, see, we are trying to really fast track the industry institution interaction. We are trying to really get in touch with some of the industries and requesting them to establish their R&D centers in the college or even centers of excellence in the college. So, or if these companies have any specific requirement in terms of developing a product or solving a specific problem, what they're facing, or if they want us to develop some kind of new controls, we are there. We have the capabilities. We have outstanding faculty with us. We will certainly be able to help you out in all these initiatives. So if you can really take some steps in this direction and establish some kind of the R&D centers or centers of excellence or any type of collaboration with us, that will be a great welcome factor. Welcome to for all of you. We will give you all assistance here, and for whatever money you spend, we will add equal amount of value or more value than anybody else in the market. Actually, that assurance I'll give it to all of you. Then the other way of contributing your time and energy is, you see, we do a lot of placements of our students actually. All of you know that. In fact, we place nearly almost all the students other than those who are going for higher studies actually, right? If your company or your the business which you're running, if you are in need of some good hands, so we are there for you. So you can really pick up our candidates, or you can tell your managements to come for placements here. So if you send your request or you post your requirement, we will link it up with our placement cell, and then certainly we will send some well-trained and well-crafted, well-equipped students to your companies. they will add tremendous value to all of you. That I can assure actually. Also, we are trying to really do some reorientation of the education here. What we are trying is, we are trying the all-round development of the students. So apart from the engineering knowledge and skills, we really impart all other aspects, all other areas of the knowledge and skills to our students, so that when they go out, they can really, contribute to the organizations and to the society at large, actually, right? Also, we are trying to really, encourage our students to, publish research papers, and then go and work in the industries outside, in the companies outside. So this kind of things, initiatives, we are starting. So if you have some really good ideas, or if you have some really good insights as how we can train our students, how we can really expand their skill sets and knowledge base, if you have some ideas, you can always share in your that common whatever is the site or blog where you can share your ideas. So I request Ganapati Raju to keep some kind of a what do you call platform where all of us can really interact and then exchange the ideas, and we can take the institution forward actually. So kindly don't be under the impression that the only way you can contribute to the college is through financial resources. You can contribute through your time, energy, and effort, and more importantly, through your knowledge by sharing your knowledge and skills. So with these few words, the time given to me is up actually. So thank you all, and I really wish to interact with all of you and really educate myself. Let me tell you, each one of you must be having, each one of you is a repository of the practical field experience. It will really enrich us, all of us, not necessarily the students. Let me tell you, even the faculty, the management team here, all of us will be beholden to all of you if you can really contribute in any way you want. Thank you. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you, sir, for your informative and motivational session. Now, I request our principal, Dr. J. Praveen, to address our alumni. Dr. J. Praveen, principal of our college, received his PhD in Power Electronics from Osmania University. He registered PhD guide at Department EEE, JNTUH. He is contributing to a major research area in power electronics and has more than 80 research publications. Has international certification on high impact teaching skills by Dale Carnegie and Associates Trainers USA. Mission 10X Wipro Technologies. Has a Cambridge International certification for teachers and trainers. Sir is also senior member IEEE MIE, life member ISTE. Certified Lab View Associate Developer from NI USA. Over to you, sir. Kindly address the gathering.
Thank you, madam. Good morning to one and all. Respected Sri M.G. Shekaram Garu, CEO, GRES, Dr. Jandyala N. Murthy Garu, Director, GRIT, Dr. K.S.N. Raju Garu, Senior Admin Officer, and today's chief guest, Sri Dr. B.H. Appala Raju, from Stark, Russia, Dr. N.V. Ganapati Raju Garu, Dean Alumni, faculty members, and my dear alumni. I welcome you all for this alumni meet 2020. So I just, as I am speaking as a principal, I would like to just introduce what happened or what is happening at GRIT in nutshell. So GRIT, as you know, it is established in year 1997. Right now we are offering 9 UG programs. So this year we added 3 more UG programs, that is CSC in Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning, CSC Data Science, and Computer Systems, Computer Science and Business Systems. These 3 BTech courses we added this year, and also MTech in Data Science. Total we are offering 6 PG programs, and GRIT is having NAC accreditation and having NBA accreditation to all the eligible programs. All the UG programs are accredited by NBA, and 4 PG programs are accredited by NBA. We have NIRF ranking 172. This is the national level ranking, and our college is accredited by TCS, Tata Consultancy Service, and we received Atal Innovation Rank pan India level 6 to 25 rank band. We achieved this in Atal rank, and GRIT is zero recognized. That is Scientific Industrial Research Organization, and GRIT is having AICTE CA gold rank institution. It is recognized as gold rank institution, and GRIT is having second rank in Telangana by Times of India ranking, and we have recognized research center by JNTU H, and we are recipient of 400 lakhs TechCube grant, TechCube 2 grant, that is World Bank grant, and we have various schemes running. So one is FIST from DST, which is having 1 crore grant, and we have multiple schemes running from AICT, that is Prerana. They're all funded events. Skill Development Center from AICT, Margadarshan. In this Margadarshan, we are guiding 15 colleges in our vicinity with respect to the accreditation and other development programs. And FDP's conference and ModRop, all these are all funded by AICT. And we have 900 lakhs grant from various funding agencies like UGC, DST, DRDO, etc. Right now, we are having 100 PhDs working with us, and we have conducted 25 international conferences. Yesterday also we have conducted, past 3 days we have conducted ICMPC international conference in collaboration with IIT Indore, and next year we are conducting same conference with NITR Chandigarh, and thereafter we are conducting with International University Malaysia. And in February we are conducting IEEE conference by name SAFET at EEE department, and GRIT is having MSME incubation center, and very happy to tell you that GRIT received Utkrisht Samsthan Vishwakarma Award, Pan India level 3rd prize for offering our services in community with respect to the overcome this COVID-19 situation. This is award given by AICT. So this is in nutshell about GRIT. Apart from this, we are having 413 kilowatt solar power, KVA solar power to save energy actually, or move towards the green energy. So that is our activity. And with respect to alumni, so I'm very happy that now we have about 178 alumni members are there in this Zoom link. So I'm very happy. And also this is streamed on YouTube, so many may be watching through YouTube. So our alumni are our torch bearers, and I request, because we are living in a competitive world, and I hope you are really benefited after studying through GRIT. So now you are all in good position, and you are doing well in your professional life, professional career. So what I request you is always give good social media, whatever good experience you have from GRIT, always give, because that is a minimum thing what we can expect, because you may be having good experience. So please share your opinion on social media. Many platforms are there, Instagram or Twitter or Facebook, whatever platform. Please give good feedback so that your young friends may opt good colleges, and also that will, if we have good input, naturally we have very good output, and that is the one important thing. And also help your junior colleagues, friends, guide them in higher education or professional career. For example, most of you may be there in a good position in your software companies, or somewhere, some of you may be there in some good educational institution or other institutions. So you might have struggled very hard to retain your position or get into those positions. So kindly give some ideas, some guidance whenever you come to GRIT, or you see now physical presence is also not required. You can connect through maybe through via Zoom or YouTube. So many opportunities are there. So anytime you can talk to our faculty members, students, and always try to help your young friends to reach their goals, or guide them what is exciting in the industry. And I request all of you to remain in touch and visit the campus whenever you are in Hyderabad. Also, you contact your respective HODs, because a lot of things, a lot of disruption is happening around the globe, even in your industry. So always try to give updates what is happening to HODs and your colleagues, your teachers, so that they will also know what is happening, and wherever some help is required, you can connect to the people so that they can share the knowledge to our faculty members or students, or if you have some resources with respect to new technologies, a lot of things are available, electronic stuff is there, so you can share to HODs, so that that will benefit to our young students, and also guide our college students which are the good placements and what are the technology skills required. For example, if you see Google, right now they have developed 415 algorithm, 4,500 algorithms in artificial intelligence and machine learning. And people who are having good skills in artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, deep learning, they are getting high packages. So you can give such examples. So always we are giving this information. But if you talk from industry, wherever you are working, people will believe you. And always try to help, try to extend your helping hand in whatever possible. So without much difficulty, whatever you can help, because you have spent 4 years and in this college, and you may be you may feel nostalgic if you come to college, and when you think about GRIT. So this is all effort created, all the ambience and all those things created by one man, Dr. Gokaraju Gangaraju Garu. So but the faculty and the students, those who are studying or working, they'll get benefit. So always you have right to improve the college ambience, and see that we have international repute and we improve our standing. So with this request, I want to thank you all for joining this alumni meet, and hope we'll meet regularly. And I welcome you all to GRIT. So there may be a lot of changes happened when you left this college and when you joined industry. So whenever you are in vicinity, just drop in, have fun. Also, I request to bring your family members. You can bring your wife or children, or spouse, whoever is there, so that you can show them this is what our college, and whoever comes to our college, really they feel very happy to see the ambience. So Kondamida College antar. So this is also hill station. So you can request them to come so that they will also feel happy. So with these words, I want to thank you, and thank you so much for joining.
Thank you, sir, for guiding our alumni. Now, I request our Senior Administrative Officer, Dr. K.S.N. Rajagaru, to address the dear ones. Dr. K.S.N. Rajagaru did his PhD from JNTU, Hyderabad, Senior Administrative Officer of GRIT and Dean Training of GRIT. Over to you, sir. Kindly address the alumni.
A very good morning to all the dignitaries, chief guests, and my dear colleagues, and the most important audience or stakeholders of the day, all our alumni, to the alumni meet of GRIT 2020. It is indeed my great pleasure to welcome you all. It's not only a moment of happiness, but also an opportunity to reflect on GRIT, your learning steps here, and your achievements. Our alumni have established themselves as successful individuals in almost every field of their lives. So whenever I think of any alumni meet, I go back to my college or school days. A college is the second home to the students, and it plays a vital role in nurturing them into good human beings. Besides shaping the character of the students, the college also helps him to face the world with real challenges with bravery and courage. The teachers and students here share an intimate and intricate bond of love and respect. Having our alumni here brings back a lot of memories. I think every one of you remembers your first day in the college and also the last day of your college when you are graduating and stepping into the bigger world. You might have realized what this institution truly means to you and to your life. So bidding farewell to our campus is probably the toughest thing to do, but it is inevitable. So once you are connected with the campus and attend alumni meets like this, you will travel to the depths of your memories and live the moments you have left behind. You dive into nostalgia and relish the best days of your life. Please go back to your happy days, and we feel very blessed to have experienced such wonderful feelings. The main intention of alumni meet is to gather our old students and give them an opportunity of sharing your memories. But due to pandemic, we are forced to meet online, and the physical presence would have been much more interesting. Our alumni has brought greater glories to the institute, and you have set the example of being a successful and good human being. You have inspired many of your juniors to have a clear conscience and courage, and the importance of being authentic. And also, the college practices the art of giving right from your student days. So I take this opportunity to request you all to be connected with your campus at each and every opportunity, so that you would be able to render your helping hand to your students, faculty, and to the institute. And as our CEO sir and our director sir have been earlier saying, if you give something to your institute, you feel happy. And our students, even during their college days, have been practicing the art of giving back to the society, which will give you more happiness than you get something from any other person or your family or college. So you please think over, and I request all of you to be connected with your campus at each possible opportunity and try to render a helping hand and practice the art of giving, not only to the college, but elsewhere also. I thank the organizers for giving me an opportunity to be with all of you on this wonderful day. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for sharing your experiences and your inspirational words. It's my privilege to invite our chief guest, Dr. B.H. Appalraju Garu, to address the alumni. Dr. B.H. Appalraju Garu did PhD in petroleum from University Moscow in 1990. He's a vice president, Stock Group of Companies, Moscow, Russia. He's also CEO of Optomax, Indo-Russian joint venture company. He's Indians in Russia, book released by Putin Modi in 2019. Over to you, sir. Kindly address the alumni.
Good morning, distinguished CEO Sri Sekaram Garu, Principal Dr. Praveen Garu, Director Dr. Janjala Murthy Garu, Dean Dr. Ganpati Raju Garu, and the entire alumni of GREAT. At the outset, I wish to thank the Gokaraju Rangaraju Institute of Engineering and Technologies Management for inviting me to today's Alumni Meet 2020. It's a pleasure to participate in this significant event dedicated to the alumni of GRIT. In fact, I am not a stranger to this institution, which is marching towards its silver jubilee in a couple of years, since my only son, Pranay Verma, has successfully graduated from this institution and is currently pursuing his master's in Europe. Similarly, I am sure that large number of young graduates and postgraduates from GRIT must be excelling in their chosen professional career both in India and abroad. Many of them might have turned to become entrepreneurs. It's heartening to learn that during this short period, GRIT has become widely known for its commitment to impart quality education coupled with innovative teaching practices. I need not reiterate it since GRIT's mission and its education policy testify my words. I congratulate the management, teaching faculty, and the alumni on this occasion and wish alumni ranks would be further filled in years ahead. On my part, I am also proud of alumni of one of the most prestigious universities in the former Soviet Union, or as it's known today as Russia. Way back, almost 4 decades ago, I had done my post-graduation and PhD in petroleum geology from the People's Friendship University in Moscow. However, due to certain circumstances, I had to change my profession to enter into mining metals business. Late 80s and early 90s witnessed the end of Cold War and the disintegration of the USSR. When the entire system collapsed, the glorious, otherwise educational institutions too collapsed. As a result, tens of thousands of talented, committed experts, teachers with rich experience in all directions of engineering, medicine, and other fundamental sciences either lost their jobs or continued to shoulder the prestige of these institutions with meager salaries. Here entered the alumni of my university with its spread across 125 countries and rescued the revival of our unique university with its financial assistance to both the management and to the teaching faculty. Our company is Star Group, to which I am one of the directors. Our company was set up in Moscow during mid-90s and which has grown into a larger group with a diversified business interests in engineering, oil exploration, mining and manufacturing of metals and minerals, has been expanded over the years from Russia to few other countries including India. All my colleagues, including our president, vice president and large number of our executives are all among the alumni, and as alumni we did realize our moral duty to contribute in all possible ways to the revival of the university by funding the university through providing new equipment, repair of old buildings, opening a couple of new departments, instituting monthly scholarships to underprivileged students with talent, financially assisting our old professors who are retired or sick. Having said all this, I do not want to boast, but merely would like to emphasize our responsibility as alumni to stay connected with the institution which made us top-class experts or engineers. As I see here too, the alumni of the GRIT present this morning, my message to you is very simple. Don't forget your institution which made you eligible to become successful professionals. Stay connected with it. Help it if required, or simply visit it occasionally. Finally, I am happy to observe that the grid seems to have signed MOUs with a large number of institutions in the world, including with Samara National Research University, which I think is in Russia. Please correct me. This is a big plus on part of the grid management. Sorry, I have exceeded the time limit. With these few words, I once again thank the grid management for inviting me this morning, and wish you a long, successful journey in shaping the future of the generation. I also thank the alumni present for patiently listening to me. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable speech and message. To move to the next part of the program, we have a demonstration of GRIAT alumni product by WOW Networks.
Sure. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for inviting me. I am Paresh Masade, CEO of WOW. And I welcome you all to the alumni meet. It's a pleasure to be here. Looking forward for an alumni meet of GRIT. Before I begin the presentation, I would like to make a point that there were a couple of engineers from GRIT who worked with us while we were building the product back in 2014 to almost 2017. And we really liked the way GRIT had the kind of alumni that you had produced. So this is a product that was somewhere contribution of that comes from GRIT. So let me begin with a quick thought about what we do, and also what we are today launching. I'm going to show you the demo of the new initiative from GRIT about the dynamic alumni portal that we're launching. So like I said, I am Paresh Masade, CEO of the company called WOW. This is the logo. So we help institutions with alumni relations, and we have seen almost every all the professors and directors and chairman CEOs speaking that alumni are very important for the institution. Before I go into depth of how can you contribute to the institution, I would like to just add a point first before we go forward. Hey, it's not just the alumni, it's that not just the institution who can get something from alumni. It's you, the alumni, who get a lot out of it. Not just because of, not from the education that you received in the past, but right now as well. Because as the ranking of your institution goes up, as the value of people start knowing about the branding of your institution, it's your personal branding and personal value goes up a lot. And if, like, say, if GRIT goes into top 100 NIRF ranking colleges in the next 1 year or 2 years, it's that value of your degree actually also goes up. And that's the reason why almost every alumni should look forward to actually going back and contributing back to the institution. So what I'll do is I'll quickly run through the product and the demo that we have and how can you actually start leveraging out. So I'm just sharing my screen. Right. So, so this is the product. It's an end-to-end alumni management platform. It's like your own LinkedIn. So we work with almost of the top 200 NIRF ranking colleges. We work with almost 60 colleges, including some few companies as well, and almost top colleges across the country use our platform. So this is how the initial site looks like. It's not live completely yet. So once it goes live, you will receive a link to register. You will be pre-filled and sent a registration link. So it has almost everything that you require in an alumni platform. The primary motto of alumni platform is one, for you to leverage your alumni network. So once you register and log in here, on the top you have a register button. You just click on that and register and log in, and you land on something like this. This is like a dashboard with your feed, where you can start any discussions. You can actually start a discussion. These are all the posts that comes up. So it's dynamically as like what you have on LinkedIn. Okay, LinkedIn, your professional close network. It has a job board where you can post jobs. So you can apply to those jobs from your friends. You can search members. Primarily, like say, you can, if you're going to a particular, looking forward for job in a company, right? Google, and if there's an alumni of yours who's already working in Google as well, so you can just directly reach out. While you can do that in Google, LinkedIn as well, any message that's coming specifically from alumni network makes a lot of value, and we have seen that happening across. Or a simple thing, hey, you're probably going to a particular, you're going from India to US and wanting to have some space, see something that's like say, hey, I'm moving to California and I need someone to help me with housing there. Or if you already just moved to California and you want someone to help you with your children's schooling, right? Why not? So these are the powerful ways your alumni networks can actually help. And all of that is something that you can do on here. You can just search members by country, city, you can search members by company or industrial skills. You can search for entrepreneurs, you can search for people working in particular domain. So all of that is possible in this alumni platform. And there are groups, your class groups automatically created, and your department wise groups also available here. Then there's a business directory. So this content is not filled up, so I'm just showing you on the clicks here. The business directory, if you are an entrepreneur and you have a business that you're running, why not create a listing here? And if there is some other alumni or some other entrepreneur also can exchange a lot of business as well. Like if simple things like you are looking forward for a digital agency, or you're looking forward for a web development company, there could be a lot of alumni who can actually do that. And why not exchange business among yourself? And it's more, the close knit community actually helps you build that. And there are news that comes from the college, all the top rankings that college is having, the partnership that MOUs the college is doing, all of that can be listed here. The newsroom that comes up through as an update to you in the newsroom as well. Then there are events like the one that we are organizing, or pretty many different events that you can actually organize, even from webinars. All of that happen on the alumni platform. So this was a quick overview of, I don't think so there are many members here registered right now. Yeah, there are no members registered here, but like every member would have your own profile. You would be able to sign up and you can actually send a message to other members as well. Imagine just like you're on LinkedIn. Okay, you're just creating your own closed social network, and all of this again, what you see on web is also on your mobile app. So because today everyone is on mobile, only thing is you have to register on the web, and then you will be able to access and download the mobile app where you can actually search members. Like say if you're moving to a particular city, there's an option in the mobile app says show people near me, and you can actually see all the people in that particular city. And that's a wonderful feature that probably will, whenever you're traveling to any particular city, these are the ones who can actually help you out. So start looking forward to leveraging this particular application. And most important thing, this is the features that we are building. This is the portal, on the dynamic portal that we have available for you. Yeah, and this, as a quick overview, apart from this, there are a lot of things. One thing that I would want to stress upon, focus on is, hey, alumni portal is a platform you connect back and all. It's not something that you'll probably want to hang around it, but this is of a high value, because your network, the alumni network that you have is something that you can actually, like say if there's a CEO of a top company as well, you can drop him a message and just go and bump him. And that's what probably I did, and that's how the idea came up. Hey, this is so powerful network. What are the things that you would want to help your students with, and students with? So we've been in the space for almost 7 years, and we've been working with top institutions. So what we did was, we found out what is it requires. So student requires 3 major help from you. Okay, they need, the only thing that the college or a student can actually get most benefited, apart from the funds. Funds is very important, but that's okay. Apart from funds, what you can contribute is your expertise. Okay, you have a lot of expertise across the college, across the industry, across various fields, right? And what is most lagging in most of the students today is the practical exposure. And no one, just because no one told them that what to learn, that's it. They are very fast and very enthusiastic to learn as well. Just that they need guidance, and they need guidance in 3 major areas. One is, hey, if I'm looking for a job, what kind of areas they should prepare? What kind of technologies you should need to learn? What kind of, if you are doing a what does the company look at? How many projects they need to do? What kind of projects they need to do? So all of these are guidance that you can actually seek from, give to the students, and the students want that. The second important area that students look out for is higher education. A lot of students would want to go for further studies in US, a lot of probably, or India, if they write GATE or MBA, and then look forward for higher studies. And they go and land up in consultancies for guidance. Okay, while you must be someone who studied in University of California or Stanford or Harvard or any other university, and you are the one who can actually guide them very well. And the simple things like preparing for SOP or a resume writing, all of that is something that you can start helping them out with. And third and most important area where the students seek out is entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship by itself is very tough. I personally know a lot of entrepreneurs from Kokraju, and I think these are the people who are actually, you can just go back, connect, form a group of entrepreneurs among yourself, start leveraging out that. And also help the students who want to seek and build a career in entrepreneurship. You are the one who can actually guide them a lot, because at that point of young age, when they're looking forward for growing their business, what they lack most is someone to guide them. And this is the best thing that you can give. And the moment you start doing that or start giving that out to students, there's no other kind of satisfaction that you would probably get. Not only for that, like I said, it's also that, hey, as the alumni of your college, alumni of ranking of your college goes up, it's the value of your brand, your career also increases. So it's for what they say is like, hey, start helping out to everyone, basically to help yourselves. Okay, and it's okay to be saying that, hey, be selfish and look forward for your benefit. That's okay, but contributing back to alma mater is that's what helping you out. And by that, I think I would end my quick 2 minutes overview. You will soon get a link about the alumni portal. Any feedback, any suggestion, please do share with me. There's a feedback form, or support team will always be ready to help. Anyone wants to contribute back on some ideas about the product, it's working, not working, anything that you want, probably please reach out to us. And yeah, you can connect with me on LinkedIn also, and then share out any feedback that you need. So thank you very much. Thank you, sir, for inviting me as well in this call. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Paresh, for your wonderful presentation. The most exciting session is ahead. It's nothing but video bites by alumnus.
Hello, everybody. I'm Cecireka. When I first joined college, I couldn't wait to build things. I mean, after all, we were all studying to be engineers. And anybody who has studied at the CSE department will tell you that we have had our fair share of certifications. We have had our endeavors to get placed in the best companies. And we've all tried really hard to shine bright enough to be seen. But what really took me all 4 years to learn was how to build. Today, as a cloud engineer with the Smart Home Solutions team at GE Appliances, when I look back at my most impactful takeaway from college, I always come back to inventing, or more specifically, making a habit of inventing. As engineers, we are granted the leeway of being able to bring existing inventions into new perspective. In my experience, if you want to start inventing, you have to start by reinventing. And through this journey, I would like to take some time to express my gratitude to all of the faculty, anybody who has taught or studied with CSEA batch of 2018 will tell you that we were a handful. But today, when I look back, I have nothing but respect and fondness for my time with you. Hope you have a wonderful holiday season and wish you and your family a Happy New Year. And here's to more creativity and less COVID in 2021.
In the international journal, which is the things like the publishing the papers and all these things can be done by the only IITs or NITs, but our college has given the opportunities to each and every member. Like for the final year students of BTech also can able to publish the paper. And coming to the placements, these Gokraju Rangaraju Institute of Technology will consider each and every student as giving the equal opportunity. Though they don't discriminate based on your MTech or your BTech, so we can provide you like that. They can give the call to each and every member, and it is their responsibility. They can go for interview and they crack. For example, the normal guy like me, I got placed in TCS in my first year of MTech only. That is a very rare thing, and very rare colleges is offering. I can say our college is the one of the first and foremost college which is offered to the MTech also. Coming to the final words, strictly no ragging in our college, and the best place to learn and best place to enjoy our work as well as our life. And I'm very proud of I'm proud of to be a GRI.
Hey, hello, this is Varun Machanapalli, passed out from 2015 batch from GRIT, Gokraju Rangaraju Institute of Engineering and Technology from IT department. To say something about IT department has played a vital role in my success, and whatever I own today is because of the IT department. GRIT has been an institution where it has not only concentrated on academic credentials but also on extracurricular credentials. I still remember in my college days that every month we used to have at least one fest which says that the college management is interested in more of an extracurricular activities, which I think is a vital important thing for a student to grow. Academics can be get anywhere in the college, like from the faculty, the information available over net and all, but I think the extracurricular activities that are done in the college plays a vital role. When it comes to IT department, the quality that we have at the IT department is immense. Lab assistants, the HOD are all being very helpful and supporting in every activity that we have been doing throughout my journey in the GRIT. So I'm sure any student who are into GRIT will have a greater exposure towards the world and will be able to showcase his skills in quality and also get a quality education in GRIT. To summarize about IT department, I can only say in 2 words. Probably I can say quality and talent. When we have this, then IT department always owns us, and that is what has all been in GRIT altogether in my journey. And I have understood that in a person's success, it is important to have quality, ideas, and support from the fellow peer members, which I got always in GRIT and IT department.
Hello everyone, my name is Bharatwaj Sista. I'm a 2007-11 graduate from GRIT. It's been roughly a decade since I've graduated from the college and more than a decade since I've joined in the college. And I'm always super grateful towards GRIT for being such a great stepping stone in my career, throughout my career. It's roughly been a decade since I graduated, but the memories are still afresh in my mind. I still recollect the moments that I've spent with my friends, the silly moments that I've spent with my faculty team, so on and so forth. So talking about how GRIT has helped me, I think more than the ACADS, more than the percentages, more than the subjects we learn, it's more of the intangibles that we get out of the college, such like the peer pressure, the peer groups that we made to study for MBA exams through campus placements. So these the soft skills we learned in the college, the management skills that we acquired in the college. So these intangibles are the ones which define our career. These softer aspect of the skills are which was throughout our career. So I'm really glad that GRIT is taking its active steps towards encouraging students in participating in various events through tech fests or through national-wide events. So I'm really glad to see that happening very actively in GRIT, and I wish the students all the very best. I'm super eager to join the alumni meet, which is happening on 19th. See you.
Hi everyone, I'm Swati, a 2020 undergraduate from Gokaraja Rangaraju Institute of Engineering and Technology from Mechanical Engineering. First of all, I would like to thank all the staff and students who conducted this virtual Alumni Meet 2020. And I would like to thank our college and department who always stood by us and supported us until we graduate. Our mechanical department has always been there for us and encouraged us to join many student bodies within our college like SAE, SME, Go-Kart and aerodynamics. They've not only supported us but also encouraged in participating many events and competitions. They have also helped us in registering into different courses available on NPTEL and TASK. These things enhanced our academic skills and helped us in gaining hands-on experience. There were many opportunities like internships, workshops, and industrial visits, which helped us in knowing the industrial working experience. And all these things have been possible only with the great support from our college management. And I would like to thank our management for allowing us to do all these things. And our management allowed us to conduct many events apart from academics, like sports and extracurricular activities. These activities helped us to showcase our skills and relieve our stress from the routine work. Not only these things happen, but placements department has also helped us in gaining confidence and strength, which is much needed to sustain in the corporate world. And I would like to thank our placement for giving us an excellent training during the placements. And I would like to take this occasion as an opportunity to thank all the departments from our college who helped us in learning many things and developed our personality. And thank you.
Gagan Sai from Civil Department. Now you can unmute yourself and speak.
Good morning, respected faculties and my dear friends. I'm Gagan. I'm from Civil Department. The day when I entered in the college with my parents on the day of orientation, where they only told me a few things. This is a place where you need to come out with a good personality and good placement, good job, and good network. I still remember their words. And I also thought the same thing, like I should get my parents on the day of graduation. And luckily, yes, of course, we are not going with the graduation day, but I'm happy a lot of things. I am in a lot of student bodies, like have worked as a president for one of the NGO called ASIA, and also worked as a vice president of NSS and also member of ICI. And I'm also a Toastmaster, and I have gone for many corporates like Tech Mahindra, TCS, and been Master Rotate Championship judge for BVRIT Women's and also, as well as a PGRT College in Kurnool. Wherever I go, it might be corporates or it might be a judge for a few colleges. I start with my introduction. I'm Gagan. I'm from Gokaraja Rangaraj College. My introduction, my name, and my college name gives me the confidence. Yes, of course, I'm from one of the topmost colleges, and that's give me a pride. And as I told, my parents told me to come up with a good package from college. Yes, I have got placed in two companies, like one is 4.2 LPA and other is 10 lakh per annum. And it is one of the highest package in placement department that has got from a civil student. Usually in almost all colleges and all these things usually says that civil department is a department where usually be silent, but not in GRIT. We stand first for all the things. We stand and we are the backbone for all the events in a college. As I proudly say, I got 2 placements and also been in one of the topmost colleges. Right now, I'm doing my advanced construction management in post-graduation in NICMAR, Pune. As I told, a lot of things, I might be in colleges, I might be in corporates and all these things. For all this change, we need something. That something is support. That support I usually get from my faculty. It's nothing less than a family. Our HOD Mallikarjun sir and Espiraj sir, Chari sir, few other faculties like Padma ma'am from EC department, they usually support me a lot of things in a lot of times. This make me to stand and sit in front of you and talk. I regret for few things like we don't have a proper ending, but I'm happy that our college is providing all these things. And I'm thankful that I got a platform that I can share my experience and all these things. And I'm also working with a startup company where it has been established in 2018. And right now we have employees of 500 plus. And I'm there to support you all the times. And my juniors or my alumni and almost all the things. And I just want to end with one thing. One of my faculty told me, your network is your net worth. Yes, I have a lot of network from GRIT, and the net worth is your people. Thank you.
Sai, I request other participants to share your views on this occasion.
Sorry, ma'am.
Participants, please.
Hello.
Unmute చేయండి.
Good morning to everyone, to all the dignitaries, Dr. Jandyal Murthy sir, MG Shekram Garu, our principal, Mr. Praveen sir, and all the other alumni. I'm Sajtavan, a proud and a fresh alumni of the 2020 batch. I still remember the orientation day when Jandyal Murthy sir actually mentioned that 2020 batch is going to be one of the biggest batches and will be known. Yes, it's not just because of the pandemic, but also because of various other factors. We being the alumni and we being the torch bearers, as Praveen sir mentioned, we are able to build a network. We are, as Gagan, my fellow civil department friend also mentioned, our network is our net worth. So we are able to carry what GRIT has taught us the 4 years. I'll be ever grateful to all the faculty, all my peer students and everybody. They helped us with projects. They helped us with everything. I was part of eCell, the entrepreneurship cell, the GRIT e-magazine, and also various other clubs, IST, IEEE, and even the cooking club, the Spice Club, which was really innovative and which is still really good. Well, in a nutshell, GRIT has given a big platform for me as well as many other students to sharpen our skills, learn various things, and explore various stuff. So talking about various career aspects, the college has helped me sharpen my soft skills, communication, various other things, because of which I was able to even crack a job, which was a 10 lakh package, which is quite high, as Gagan mentioned, for the core departments. So the mechanical department, it was on the higher side. And right now I'm also doing my postgraduate diploma in operations management from IGNOU, Indira Gandhi Institute of Technology, because going to institute and learning is not that feasible due to the pandemic. Well, I even applied for my master's. So talking about masters, all the faculty have also helped me in recommending my name for the various colleges that had applied and various universities. So there are far too many things to talk about the college or the friends or the memories that I have made and cherished. But towards the end, I like to say that grit has been one of the biggest and the best things which has happened to me. And I'm sure it was the best thing which happened to most of us. So yes, the 2020 batch had been pretty unstable, but we made sure, thanks to our faculty, they made sure that even though we didn't have a final day in like physical interaction, at least this alumni has made us come together and gather up. So thank you again for giving this opportunity, and I hope to meet everybody and all the faculty again. Sure, thank you.
Thank you, Shravan. I invite any more to join the occasion. Now I request all the participants to turn on your videos for a group photo. All the participants, please turn on your video. Request all to turn on your videos. Okay, thank you. We have Distinguished Alumni Award under 5 categories: Academic Excellence, Technology Innovation Excellence, Managerial Excellence, Entrepreneur Excellence, Excellence on other walks of life. For this, we have a cash prize of ₹5,000 sponsored by our director, Dr. Janyala N. Murthy, on behalf of his father and mother. Thank you, sir, for your encouragement. Now, I would like
a small disturbance for because of internet. Kindly bear with me for another minute. Now, Dr. J. Praveen Garu, Principal of GRIT, is going to announce the Best Alumni Award on behalf of year 2019 and 20. Principal sir, could you please announce the Best Alumni Award?
So thank you for giving me this opportunity to announce the Best Alumni Award. So Best Alumni Award for 2019-20 is given to Hitesh Vadlamudi. Can you share the screen, sir?
Sir,
Yeah.
yes, sir.
So Hitesh Vadlamudi is a graduate of GRIT from 2007 batch from Information Technology Department. After a brief stint at Saxon Technologies, Hitesh started two boutique mobile development companies and hired several students from GRIT. Then he sold them to US-based company and relocated to US. He is now an entrepreneur and investor. His recent company, Beer Tax, is co-founded by two other alumni of GRIT, Vamshi and Pradumnya, of 2009-2012 batches. Beer Tax is currently helping more than 20,000 crypto investors in their capital gain assessment every year. Hitesh is also helping several other companies in sales, business development, and go-to-market strategies. Several of these companies are founded by GRIT alumni from different branches and batches. So I would like to congratulate Mr. Hitesh Vadlamudi and also request all the alumni members to congratulate him. So each of you are eligible for Best Alumni Award, but now we are giving to few people as these awards are sponsored by reputed people. Now present award is sponsored by our director sir. So I request all of you to also constitute award each branch. For example, we are giving gold medals in our department, in our college. Each gold medal is given by one of the either faculty member or somebody sponsoring. So you can also think of sponsoring awards of this kind. So this is a great gesture from our director Garu. Every year he has donated some fund and we kept that fund in bank, and every year whatever interest we get from that fund, so it is given to every year. So it will become an eternal award actually. Every year on year, we'll be able to give an award to alumni. So I want to thank our director sir for his kind gesture, and also want to congratulate Mr. Hitesh for getting this award. Apart from almost 10,000 alumni are there. So I'm very happy that his name is selected by the jury. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. It's now my privilege in inviting our dynamic director, Dr. Jindal N. Murthy, who is the navigator of this flagship of knowledge, to address the alumni partners. Dr. Jindal N. Murthy studied MS Dharmat Power and PhD Dharmat Power from Cranfield Institute of Technology, UK. Served in the maintenance branch of the Indian Air Force for over 25 years and took voluntary retirement from the IAF as a wing commander in 2001. Joined GRIT as a professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering in 2001. He assumed the responsibility as the director of GRIT since 31st January 2018 after a successful tenure as the principal of GRIT since December 2004. He is presently the director of our college. Over to you, sir. Kindly address GRIT alumni.
Distinguished Chief Guest, Appal Raju Garu, our CEO, MG Shekharam Garu, Principal Praveen Garu, and Senior Administrative Officer KVS Raju Garu, and dear alumni, and I'm sure even your spouses might be watching. So your better halves, maybe your children. Very good morning. For some, I think it's a good evening, almost the late night as well, because I see Aditya from Minneapolis and Hitesh from Atlanta. So it's well past, closer to midnight. It's my privilege to talk to you on this Alumnus Day of 2020. And I'm sure, like somebody said, we all remember the day we joined and the day you left the college. But I always remember the day you joined, because more or less right from 2001, I have been speaking to the students as and when they enter into the portals of GRIET. And every time we give advice, and you must be wondering, one more advice today after we passed out also. But then this is part of life. And most of the time we remind you, college life is exciting, but outside world is real world is very, very difficult. And the tough gets going when the going gets tough. So all these advisory remarks you have been listening, but I'm sure 2020 has been an unusual one, which none of us have expected. I mean, the exact word of, it's a real flavor of VUCA world when we say 2020 actually given the taste to all of us. And I'm sure that all of you are tough and you're bravely facing it without losing sort of, not becoming underconfident, but able to manage the problems that the life has thrown at you. I know you had fantastic 4 years time here at GRIET, and the experiences some of you people are thanking for the people for what we have, what the college has given you. Like someone else has reminded, it was the intangibles actually count the maximum. Agreed, the grades, the subject, the knowledge, the skills, all are important. But the intangibles actually makes you tough. That is the one which shapes your character. And that character will stand by you throughout your life. And I normally say like this, gaining weight is extremely difficult, but losing weight is extremely difficult, at least people like us at this age. And if you take a parallel in the BTech, failing BTech is extremely difficult, but passing is very easy. That's what most of the people say. In fact, life is like engineering degree only. Failing is extremely difficult. Passing is extremely easy, provided you have just one simple positive attitude and positive frame of mind, which I'm sure all of you have it. And these 4 years everyone says it's a memorable one. It's not because you have done a BTech and graduation, which will make you sort of qualified to take up any job outside. It is that age, it is that period, it is that impressionable sort of moments of your life makes this 4 years very thrilling ones, and you'll remember forever. Even if you have missed it also, and if you have not enjoyed to the maximum, to the hilt, that also you will remember, and you'll start sort of making up for it subsequently. And these alumnus meets will give you a chance to catch up with those nostalgic memories. In a way, I thank pandemic because we are able to meet more people. Otherwise, traveling and distances are making sort of limitations and hindrances to come to the college, because you people are spread all over the place. Why do we meet? We know already, the earlier speakers have told you. It is that, you are networking, like somebody has just mentioned, networking is the net worth. It is for that networking we say that all of us have to come together. We all should have this pride, what we call as the brand equity, brand image of GRIET. And you are the ambassadors. You are the ones who are going to take it to the outside world. And we bank on you. In the American parlance, you are all called the constituents of the college. And in our Indian terminologies, it's called stakeholders. You're one of the prime stakeholders. Alumni is the prime stakeholder of any educational organization. And we expect you to become a bridge between the college and the industry. You are the industry, actually. And if you actually extend your hand and shake hands with your alma mater, you form a fantastic bridge, which will make the path for the present generation very, very smooth and very easy. When I see what the achievements of Hitesh, I feel really proud. I'm associated with him here. And because of people like him, a lot of other students actually gain. And this is exactly the meaning of network, and this is exactly what we expect. And even the juniors look forward for that. They want to go for higher education, just write a letter to the universities where already the seniors are there. You're trying for a referral, senior is there to give a helping hand. To give an advice, the senior is there available. And now I'm also very sort of proud that it's not just the engineering alone. You people are there in engineering, in sciences, in technology, and in arts, and even the other fields as well. I have our students excelling, doing hotel business. They're running schools. They're running automobile. You want to buy a BMW? I have one. You want to buy an XI? I have one student of ours. And in arts, we have got Sriram Aditya, who has taken a couple of fantastic movies with Nagarjuna and Nani, etc. We have music writers, in the sense lyric writers. And we have the IAS officer, who in fact the Hyderabad is blessed to have our alumnus, Sweta Mohanty, as the collector. And one more, Karthik, has just joined. And we still do not know whether he'll get the place what he wants, whether he'll be posted to Telangana in IAS, or whether he'll be just missing it to become an IPS officer. But we are quite proud of him. And many more are trying. And even for advice, it's you who are the best sort of link for all these people. And here, college has moved, a lot of water has flown under the bridge. After some of the people, I know the people who have passed out just now, I can see it's quite a lot of smiling faces of 2020. And somebody said we did not have a good ending. It's not an end, it's only a bend. Though we are still trying to see whether we can come up with a graduation day where we all can, how we can actually meet together. We are going to go through that activity. Don't worry about that. And we want to make sure that 2020, like somebody said, I still clearly remember what I said 4 years back. You are going to be one of the fantastic batch. In fact, you have proven that you are a fantastic batch, because our placements right now of 2020 is one of the records, by the way. And not just computer related branches, all the non-computing, non-circuit branches also have done extremely well. We want to do better with your help. That's only possible if that GRIT branding together, we do it well. NIRF ranking is a new thing. We have got about 178 is the score out of the 6,000 colleges. Being in the first 200 they mentioned only 200, up till 200. For the last 3 years, we have been figuring, but definitely we would like to move up with your help. And some of the best practices which we have already done, and it's the latest one, we call it as SRSR, self-reliance and social relevance. I repeat, SRSR stands for self-reliance and social relevance. It's there, it stems out of our mission statement, practical skills and social relevance. That's what we want to give our education. So this social relevance and self-reliance, in fact, all of you people, there are quite a few people, I can name some of them, whether it is Jayashree, Hitesh, Arjun, and recently is Manikanta. All these people have helped us, whether it is Ritesh, whether it is a web page of ours, or GCAP, which is our examination software, or doing some of the tricks while printing the certificates. You people have been helping us. It is what is called the self-reliance. Or our people who have done along with this wave the management, the alumnus software. Much before our government has coined this word called Atmanirbhar Bharat, we have been relying on this self-reliance and doing everything, whatever app that is required or whatever software that is required, we develop it ourselves. And that's possible only if people, students like this and the seniors actually guiding them. And Annapurna is one great scheme. Most of you will remember that as a prasad we started, if I remember, in 2007 with just 5 prasads every day. And now it has touched 250. You just come. We want to make it almost like that great Dokkasi Tamagaru, or what you have Tanigonda Venkamamba's Annaprasadam in Tirupati. We want to make it the canteen, entire thing free. Just walk in and eat. But obviously, some people generous hearts have to come up, because we are all privileged ones, by the way. If you have a qualification, if you have a roof on top, if your body is doing well, and you have a square meal every day, few handful of percentage of people in the entire, whatever billions of population in the world, we are one of the fortunate ones. In which case, we have to come out. That's what we say. One is, God has given you 2 hands. One hand is for taking, but the other hand is for helping others. And I'm sure this giving habit is what we are trying to do it through that Annapurna scheme as well. We are not appealing to you saying that you come and donate money to GRIT. but there's a pride in that, saying that this alma mater, we call it runam in our dharma. Pitrurunam, Devarunam, Rishirunam, Manushyarunam, and Bhutarunam. And these runas we have to, we are not born free. Our Sanatana Dharma says we are born with all these runas. It's our fundamental duty to make sure that we take care of all of them. I don't need to give this lecture because I've been talking about this throughout. This Rishiruna is something to do with the knowledge. Knowledge is eternal. It's being handed over, passed on from generation to generation. And we can do a fantastic job if you come and shake hands with us. We have a scheme called Parampara. Come to college, speak to the students, give your experiences, the mistakes you have done, or the fantastic things you have done, which became a stepping stone for you to launch in the world in a perfect manner. Give them the tips. In fact, they listen to you much more than when we talk as a faculty. So that scheme, we have called it as a Parampara. So I would like you to come and share your experiences to the students. Then, yes, you can always give money. Come up with a scheme. Come give institute a medal to encourage the students, or come and step up, institute a lab. See, I passed out from IIT in 75. The batch which has passed out from 76. In their 25th year, this name you all know, Deshpande. This Deshpande's foundation is there quite a lot of places. His wife studied in IIT. When people talk about what he has given, it looks really amazing. He started signing the check, people started counting the zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. So finally, the zeros ended with 1 million, and they are in dollars. He given it for about 10 years, just a single man. And that's the contribution, and they built a hostel, in his through his contribution. You people are equally capable of, you have a large heart. Come back and see that this institution remains, this alma mater remains as a proud witness of, your memories during, last few years. So with this, I first of all congratulate Hitesh for winning the best alumnus for 2019. Last year it was from computer science, Siddharth, and agreed, giving is not, do it for a cause, not for applause. Same way, we don't run for awards. Awards will come automatically, but make sure that these hands are given for helping others. And GRIT looks towards you for help, more than the help, a network, an assistance, to see that your younger generation also do as well as you are doing currently. With this, I sincerely thank Ganapati Raj Garu and his team for conducting this alumnus meet, and thank you very much, and God bless.
Thank you, sir, for sharing your expertise with all of us. Now, I would like to invite Mr. Hitesh Vadlamudi to share his experiences.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Respected Director Jain Murthy Garu, Principal Praveen Garu, Chief Guest Appal Raj Garu, Administrative Officer Kesan Raj Garu, Ganapati Raj Garu, and others. Thank you for giving me this opportunity and the award for 2019. Most of the alumni said, they remember the first day and the last day. I never remember the first day because, I was not there for the most famous orientation by Jain Murthy Garu, because I did not get into GRIT in my first counseling. So it so happened that I got into second counseling and got there. But I do remember last day very, very well, because, there is no last day for the college. People just stop coming from second semester onwards. Just, everybody, all of you, I'm very sure, nobody will even take care of attendance. Directly will come, do your exams, and then, that's it. There is no official last day. But I remember I joined Saskin on August 13th, 2007, which was a Monday. And Friday evening at about 6:30, me and my friend, we were in college working on GCAP. Those were the beautiful days. I still remember that particular day, and those last days when we were working. They were beautiful experiences. But one thing that I would really be happy to say is, the 4 years when you are in college is an experience which is it's a combination of different things. You have small fights within your friends, great friendships, learning from your professors. How do you handle different events? How do you work on different projects? It's all a different experience. The best experience I thought I will share with you is in the year 2005 January. I don't know, some of you, some of the faculty members remember that. We had Atif Aslam for Pulse, and we actually sent a lot of money to Bombay, and unfortunately things did not happen as we planned. And at about 7 o'clock in the night, we were in Director P.S. Raju sir's room. We were all, very worried about, what will happen to that 6 lakhs, how angry will P.S. Raju garu get, how angry will the chairman get, and all of that stuff. At that time, I will talk in Telugu for a minute. P.S. Raju garu said one line. నేను మాట్లాడానండి, డబ్బులది కాదు, I think మన వాళ్ళంతా they will understand how to handle humiliation, and this is a wonderful experience, right? Instantly, that is a cool down, all your tension, all your worry, and all your pains are gone. But that's a great lesson that I think I have been carrying for the last 15 years, during your life, when you have ups and when you have downs. It's not the money, or it's not any material that you lose or gain, but it's the experience that you learn, and that you will start taking your next steps. You may do extremely well this year, but next year you may not do anything, right? So that said, I think at GRIT, the 4 years that I spent, I think a little more than 4 years that I spent as a student, and then the last 14 years as alumni has been a great learning, filled with a lot of experiences. Even today, I'm very fortunate to stay in touch with Director Murthy garu, faculty members like Sai Hanuman garu, Ganpati Raju garu, and a number of others. And, and of course, friends from my branch, and then, a lot of juniors, my recent company, my sub-junior Vamshi is one of the partner, and his sub-junior Pradyumna. They are not my juniors, they are my sub-junior and his sub-junior. So all 3 of us started. And then there is one more product from my batchmate. He's from Tripoli branch, but he's doing extremely good in QA automation, and he's clocking north of 7 to 8 million in revenue. We are working on that. So there are a lot of amazing products that we are building, a lot of interesting stuff. It's always that network, that college, there is something or the other that is happening, but the amazing experience is what I will carry forever. Thank you so much once again. But before I log off, right? So everybody says 2020 is a crazy year. I agree, 2020 is a crazy year, but don't stop smiling even if you are wearing a mask. Keep smiling and keep going on. There is nothing to lose, and I'm sure everybody will be successful in their own way. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Hiteshwar, I would like to add one more point from my side. In 2004-5, you have developed a website for GRIT. You have developed, yes. Jayan Murthy garu has made me as a faculty coordinator along with you. And at that time, no college has websites. At the time itself, you have developed a HTML website. I would like to thank, and some of the students, those who are not having percentages in their graduates and MCAs, I have sent so many of people to you, and you have given jobs to them, that I wanted to add another point. Now, At the end, I wanted to thank all my departmental coordinators, the management, CEO Garu, Dr. Jain Murthy Garu, Praveen Garu, Kesan Raj Garu, who helped me to conduct this meeting smoothly by providing the resources. And I would like to congratulate the Prasanna Lakshmi, IT HOD, and Dr. Madhavi from CS HOD. Those are part of the selection of the Best Alumni Award. As an alumni of, as Dean Alumni Affairs, I would like to congratulate Hiteshwar Vadlamudi, and he has to contribute more to the GRIT and to the society. With these remarks, I would like to close GRIT Alumni 2019 and 20 with all the good success to all the alumni who has attended this 2019 and 20 alumni meet, and more successes in your life, and stay home and stay healthy. Thank you very much.
Ganpati Raj Garu.
Sir.
Hitesh told incident of 2005 Atif Aslam's 6 lakh wala thing.
Sir.
That story is not complete if I don't say Rahul Pendyala will feel bad, because we managed to get back the 6 lakhs. That's all. The story ended also ended on a happy note. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you.
I will add one more thing, sir. The next day or 2 days later, if I remember correctly, TKR College, Tegal Krishna Reddy was the mayor at that point of time, announced big time that, Atif Aslam is doing live in the TKR College. And you won't believe me, sir, at that same time when Tegal Krishna Reddy was the mayor, there were big hoardings and, a lot of gossip happened. But I am extremely happy to say the whole college, 2000 plus students actually took courage. And that same day we organized a blood donation camp, Ashish and, they organized a blood donation camp near JNTU. And we had close to 300 to 400 people who actually came and donated blood. And of course, Atif Aslam event did not happen in TKR also. So that was a wonderful experience for all the students, They were so upset. They learned a lot of experience, and we all could handle humiliation. But it's an experience that we can cherish for life. Yeah.
I would like to thank English department, Rajeshwari madam, for anchoring, and Kishore from physics department, who helped me in technically as well as in anchoring. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you all.